Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, the daily candle here, it's finished. So it's still showing the market, it's going down, but till now, us we staying here sideways. By the way, some people they're getting confused. Let me explain to you guys something very important. Us we enter short here. When it's breaking here, we enter short here, exactly in that place in the 4 hours. When the 4 hours candle it's breaking here, we enter short. Yes or no? We came down here to that level here, to that one. I told you guys, the money you enter from here, let's say you bought a short position by $100. It came down here to that level here. I told you, sold what it's equal your $100. So you're going to stay at that time with risk free. You don't got any money to risk. Everything, the profit was still there. That's what I told you. Then we came here to that peak here. I told you guys over there, take some of the profit or from that profit you left with from here. Yes or no? That's what I told you. You can go back and watch the previous videos. So you came here, you take some of the profit. So now you enter from here, from that zone here by $100. You came down here, you take some profit, or you take what is equal your $100. So you left in here with risk free. It came down here, you left with some profit. I told you take some of the profit. Yes or no? Now you're left with a small amount there. It gave us here in that zone, here in the 4 hours, a head and shoulder. I told you the neckline is it here. If it's breaking higher here, you closing all the short position you left with. For that small amount of profit, you close it if it's breaking higher here. If it doesn't break, you don't need to close it. Maybe it's going to fall down more, guys. That was me being telling you. Everything is too clear, guys. Also, we're doing that for you to stay with risk free. There is nothing to risk at this moment. Everything is too clear. So now it's going back to analyze for you here. So here, guys, as you see it, also we being here, look how many days we are sideways. There is nowhere where we going. And even tomorrow and after tomorrow, we're going to stay sideways, guys. Saturday and Sunday, you know it, there is no big volume. And that's what even the market is showing to you here. So what should we do? Nothing. We're just waiting what's going to happen. Either from here, we're going to break down here and we're going to fall down, or another scenario, we're going to stay sideways here. But us here for long term, what us we said, we make it like that. We said we got here an inside bar. If it doesn't breaking down or doesn't breaking up, us we are not going to enter long or short. That's for long term. That's what me have been telling you guys. So now what should you do? Nothing, my friend. And today I'm going to show you the option analysis for the next week with what the market is going to do in the eyes of the people that trade in option or big whales that trade in option, because option is a hedge against the risk. Because those people, they open positions here in the spot and they go the open positions in the options to hedge against the risk of them. Everything is too clear, guys? By the way, you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos every day. 2 videos, one after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the market doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is down in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now, guys, let's go into see the options, what the same for next week. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys. Look with me here at that zone here, at that one here. What is it? The expiration day. The expiration is going to be at 30 of month 12, 2022. 30 is going to be Friday. Because options, they don't trade in all the week. They're trading from Friday till Friday. Everything is too clear. So here, down, where is the strike, guys? Look with me at 17K. Here, down. Look here, the strike here at 17K. Or even here, you see it, 17K. Focus it with me about that table here, that one here I'm talking about. The calls at 17K is it 3.85K Bitcoin. The volume there, look how many, 816 Bitcoin, guys. That's too much of money. The calls, that's meant the people, because for options, the calls people they believe in is going to fall down. Pots is the people they believe in is going to go higher. So if you came here and you doing a small comparison, the volume for the calls here, look with me here, that one with green here, that the volume for the calls, and that one here with red is the volume for the pots. Pots, as I told you, people, the buyers, and calls is the sellers. Let's make it like that. So the buyers, the volume of them is 816 Bitcoin. The pots is only 207, guys. The difference between them, how many? Is about 600 Bitcoin, guys. It's too much of money. You get what I'm saying or no? So those people here, they believe in the Bitcoin is going to stay between 17K. It will not break 17K upward. Yes, there is some pots, but not the volume of them compared to the calls is too much. It's about 600 Bitcoin, guys. Everything is too clear. So those people here, what the view of them, the Bitcoin, it will not break 17K in the top here. Everything is too clear. Let's see now for down where them they saying. If we came here, look here, the view, guys, focus it with me. The pots here, how much is it? People, they believe in the Bitcoin, it will not break in 16,500, as you see it here. How much is it? The volume of them is 595, guys. As you see, it is very, very, very big compared to the calls here. People, they believe in the Bitcoin, it will break down then 16,500 is very small compared to the pots. It's only 36 Bitcoin. The majority of them here, they believe in the Bitcoin, it will not break 16,500. Everything is too clear. So now you, what can you do? That one here, 16,500. And that one, because that one a little bit, you can come even to that one. As you see it, if you came here to 17,500, the calls here, majority of them, 464, but the pots is only 1.2 Bitcoin. Everything is too clear. So now, also what we said, guys, 17,500 in the top and down 16,500. That's what those people they put in. Is going the Bitcoin to stay between that two levels, 17,500 and down 16,500. Everything is too clear, guys. That where they are majority of the pots and the calls. Picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going back to the chart to explain to you those things. So now if we go back here, guys, to the chart, what else we said? We came here to that square here and we make it like that. What we said, 17,500 like that. And we put one down here. What then they said? They said it will not break down 16,500 like that. So those people in the Bitcoin options, they think in the Bitcoin it will stay between the two squares, guys, as you see them. It might, them they are right, it might not. So that's what the view of them. They said the Bitcoin it will not break that level and it will not break that level. And those people, they know what they're doing. They are not dumb people or they just started to trade yesterday. Options, they are very, very dangerous. They said the Bitcoin is going to stay between that two levels, guys. So what the view? Bitcoin is going to stay here even next week. Maybe after next week we're going to break. We don't know, or maybe it's going to break higher, but us, we calculate them for you and we analyze for you just week by week. So the view of them, the Bitcoin is going to stay between that two levels. As I tell it to you, the first level here at 17,500 and down 16,500. That's the view of them. Everything is too clear, guys. There is nothing hard or complicated. Now, guys, let's go into see our indicators. What the same for pictures to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when it touch here, that level here, that for long-term investment, some people also we enter from here and from here, from down. That number one, we enter because it's been breaking here, that long-term down trend. And second one, we enter it from here. Then when it came here, I told you guys, sell what you invest from number one and number two. It said you enter by $100 from number one and $100 from number two. So is it $200? So here in that zone, so here you need to sell what it equal $200, guys. Why? To free your cash, because now you here you sell and you are in profit here in that zone. You sell $200 and you're going to sell left with some Bitcoin, and that some Bitcoin, if it go up, you're going to make very decent profit and you are in a risk free. If it fall down here, you got $200 to buy more from them. By the way, that money management strategy I'm explaining to you here, it's very, very, very well explained in our crypto investing course. If you wanted the course down, is it in the first comment? And believe me, that course is better than millions of courses online. They sell it to you by $1,000 and $2,000. And if you're using the couple leg, the cost, it will not cost you that much. It's only $13, my friend. $13 is only the price of a cup of coffee. But that's not our topic, guys. Now it's going back here to the chart. Watch me, I told you here. How controlling here, guys. Also, we still here in the control of the bears. Yes or no? And as you see, we touch here the oversold. We go up till here, but we couldn't break it. Now it's showing here as if it's going to reverse. Yes or no? Now what the view? As I show you now in the option, we are going to stay sideways here, guys. So there is nothing new. It's going to stay sideways here. Till something new is going to come, because you know why? You know the Christmas majority of the market, they will be closed. So who's going to stay in the market? Only small retail traders. Those ones, they don't got the volume to move up the Bitcoin up or down. So that's why I told you it's going to stay just here sideways till 2023 started, and big investors, they are going to go back to the market. Then you're going to see big volume enter into the market. Till now there is nothing new, guys. Everything is too clear here. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So let's go in there, guys. Here in the 4 hours, guys, here, where you need to be focused with me here. What me I told you here, when it's breaking here, also enter short, yes or no? We came down here. I told you guys, sell the money you enter, buy it from here. So let's say you enter from here by $100. It came down here, you're going to sell what it's equal your $100. Yes or no? You're going to left with just profit, because the Bitcoin is moved from here till here. If you bring it like that, if we came from here till here, you make 3%. 3% of $100 is $3, guys. So if you enter from here, that without leverage, without nothing, you just enter with spot, and there is no short in Bitcoin with spot. So let's say you got here $100 times 3 is $300. You came down here for $100 is $3 times 3 is $9. You make here $9. So you're going to take it off that $100 of you, and you're going to leave here with $9. It came down here to that place here. What me I told you here? I told you sell a little bit of the profit. Yes or no? Let me explain it a little bit for you to understand a little bit. You left here with $9. That $9, it came down here to that place here is 2%. So if you came and you put in 2% of 9. How much is it? It's 0.8, guys. 0.8 like that. 1.8, sorry. So you here, you left with 3%, and here you add into it 2%. How much is it from here till here? It's about 5%, guys. So here I told you, take some of the profit. That's what I told you. And now you're going to left with something, because that $9 here, it said you sell here just 50% of it. So you're going to left with about $4.50. Let's go back up here. Watch me. I told you it giving us here a head and shoulder here. Look at it, very clear there. I told you where is the neckline. I told you here. Yes or no? I told you if it came and breaking upward here, we'll close that $4.5 we're left with. If it's breaking here, if it doesn't break there, what should we do? We'll not close it. Maybe it's going to drop again. And that $4 here, if it fall down till here, till that level here, that $4 is going to be about $10 or $20. That was me I'm teaching you here, guys. Everything is too clear. So here in the 4 hours, what we got? We got here that head and shoulder here. Look at it. But till now, it doesn't break in the neckline, guys. Till now, it's not confirmed. If it doesn't break in upward here, there is no entry long. Now, also, we need to looking for a buy opportunity now. But also, we still have a short position. Everything is too clear, guys. Let me hope you understand what I'm saying now. Now, let's go into our indicators, guys. What the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, also here we are in that middle, so there is no move, guys, no either up or either down. And I just show you in the options they said is going to stay sideways here. So all that week there is no big move, guys. So put that in your brain. If you are a long-term investor, just start this, guys, and forget about all that. Everything is too clear, guys. So now here there is no buying, no selling here in that level. Unless if it's breaking down here, also we got a short position. If it's breaking upward here, we're going to close that short position and we're going to open a long position again. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. So let's go in there. That one here, guys, as you see it, we've been here at the oversold area. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it here. We used to have here a short position. We started protecting ourselves. We're taking profit, not protecting. We're taking profit now. Now the market here, it gave us here a price action, as you see it, a head and shoulder here. But the neckline, where is it? Is here. If it doesn't get in broke, also we are not going to enter long, guys. As you remember, I show you here, we got here a head and shoulder here, if you remember it here. But it doesn't break in the neckline. Look at that. So there is no entry, but also we enter from here, from higher, guys. So the same thing here. It might, all that price action is given us here, it will not break in higher. It might is going to fall down and to break for us that last low here. But now watch the analysis of the option telling us the Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here till the new year, guys. That's what I'm telling you. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes for scalpers and day traders, what else we said? Here we used to have here that down channel. When it's breaking here, we enter long. It came here. I told you start thinking off to protect yourself. Yes or no? But look here at the 200 moving average, what it's telling you. Even the 200 moving average is talking to you. I tell you also we are in a flat market. There is nowhere to go. So for scalping, don't try to open a scalping opportunity at those days because the market is very, 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 very flat, guys. It will not go to nowhere. Everything is too clear, guys. So let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it touch here the overbought area. So also we enter from here. Over here will have you protect yourself. But as I told you, the market will not move nowhere. It's going to stay sideways here. So there is no scalping those days, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.